That don't look too noticeable. That up there though, it's pretty noticeable. Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna jump on the Bronco, kind of do what I want to do before we got the truck. Go up on the transmission tunnel. I can't really point because it's in the back, but the passenger side transmission tunnel and that back firewall, and send the welds through there, get those kind of ground down, and hopefully painted. We got 2 cans of that rust reformer, so we'll spray that on there and hopefully get that inside at least covered with the black paint. Yeah, we're gonna jump on the Bronco, do more sanding, grinding, and after that next week, we may jump back on the truck. I'm gonna have somebody come over and help me because I can't stab that steering column and put the knuckle on at the same time. I'm not sure if I can even get it to work right because it's so close to the exhaust and the frame. I have to go between those and turn down, and I don't know. But I'm gonna research a little bit more. Maybe might be something else that's a little bit better. But I do know sometime this week we're gonna put the fenders on this. Plan is to bolt them up to the front running boards, put them up there, and then kind of level them out, C-clamps, and then we'll mark our holes on the bed, pull the fender off, and drill holes, and then bolt them up. And that should hopefully be good enough. I know it's a lot of surface rust on that bed, but anyways, we'll do that. Hopefully get those on there and get more weight out of the back, because front clip up here, I was going to take it completely off and put it in the back because we need access down by the engine, and the inner fenders are just getting in the way. So we may do that next week on the truck. Might try to do it this weekend. May try to work on this truck this weekend and then do the Bronco during the week. So there may be a flood of new videos on this truck, but just know that the Bronco is still our main project for this channel for now. This is just trying to get it done so I can drive it. So that's a close second, I would say. But that way we can do 3 videos next week for the Bronco, and might throw some of these videos in between them if I get enough of them made. Anyways, it is super hot in here and I don't got much time, so I'm gonna jump on the Bronco, sand, paint, call it a day. Hopefully y'all stick with me. I know I lost a couple people. I mean, it is what it is. No kind of changing stuff. I'm bound to lose people and whatnot, but we working on this truck a little bit. But we're gonna keep on the Bronco and hopefully get it taken care of. Anyways, just gonna ramble on here, so let's sit over there and I'll remind y'all what we're gonna do, and we'll start getting it taken care of. All right. Last time we got the transmission tunnel and the right through here. We'll blow this back out. I got my kiddo's footprints on this, but we'll clean this off and we'll go ahead and spray this so it matches. I need to take the sticker off. These welds up here, I'm not that concerned with. They are ground down, so none of them are popping out. They just look bad. Through here is pretty good. This is not so good. So my main focus right now will be getting this down. May have to, yeah, we need to plug a hole up here. We can see it, so we'll do a little bit of welding right there and one right here and get those knocked back down. Then we'll start to grind this down and then clean everything off. That's right there's pretty ground down pretty good. I might just get it just a little bit in this valley, and then we'll clean it all off, clean this up. I'm not trying to super clean on it, at least get it up to this line here and this top piece here, and spray this whole area all the way back to here. Here's my plan for the day. Don't know how far I'll get, but that's what we're shooting for. And I'm already soaking wet because it's probably 100 degrees in here, and I have no ventilation, so I'm gonna open the window and get a fan going. Well, I think we did okay. Doesn't look too good back there, but hopefully all that'll be covered up with some of that textured laser scan or something like that. But doesn't look half bad painted. It's hot out here, but yep, I like it. That don't look too noticeable. That up there though, it's pretty noticeable. So we'll just let that dry and see what it looks like next time. We have to go back over it right through here, but all in all, from a distance, it looks pretty good. You almost can't tell. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, it is extremely hot out here. It's pretty fumy too. Had to turn off the fans to shoot this, but I'll turn them on once they're done. Liked how that's turning out. Just need to get up in there a little bit better on the top of the firewall, get that knocked out, and then we can start moving our way across to the driver's side. But like I said, I've still got a call out to help with the door pillars. Don't know how much more I'm going to wait on it before we just move ahead and try to do it ourselves. Probably have to have somebody else here to help me. I'm not sure if anybody want to help me in this heat. So, like I said, this weekend I'll probably film. Got too much stuff around here. Probably film the truck a little bit, and then starting Monday we'll be back to the Bronco. Hold me to this, but I plan on doing the Bronco 3 times a week, like normal, and the truck will be just in there whenever we have enough footage to make a video. Like I said, there's a ton of work needs to be done to it to get it ready. So kind of mix and match a little bit throughout the week. With that being said, if you made this video, thank you very much. If you stayed with me through this, getting the truck and everything else, thank you. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to the channel that you decided to stick with me through this. Like I said, we'll try to get this done and out and enjoy it. And then we'll bring the Bronco back and start to hammer down on it. But anyways, new to the channel. We're usually working on Bronco, but we're kind of switching between builds at the moment. We'll work on this a little bit and work on Bronco. So if you come for the truck will be in some videos, and for the Bronco will be in some videos too. I'm not going to abandon one for the other, but if you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out. If you know somebody likes internationals, please share my channel. We'll be building this. Has a 6.5 liter diesel, heavy duty automatic transmission, and Jaguar front and rear suspension. We need to figure all how it goes together. It's already in, but just need to make it all work together. But with that being said, I got to go install some fence right now. So again, thank you. I don't know how long my videos are gonna be from now on, because I'm just out here 30 minutes and look at me. So the videos might be on shorter side now until it starts cooling off outside. But we'll continue on chipping away at both of them, and please stick around. This will get interesting before too long. Anyways, I'll see you next time.